Hi guys, this is our northeast road trip of Scotland, going from Lossiemouth to Inverness, showing you some great places along the way. This video is perfect for you if you're planning your own road trip, because I go to some of the must-see places in the northeast coast of Scotland, as well as showing you an amazing accommodation that just can't be missed. Hi guys, I'm Sean Brett, and this is my travel life. Where are we?
Lossiemouth.
Lossiemouth. Let's go explore! Let's find a cafe. Road again.
Stop singing.
Can I hum?
Nope.
Can I whistle? Can I whistle? Can I hum?
No. Shut up, that's what you can do.
The next stop was Findhorn. A whopper. So after having an argument with my sat-nav, we end up at this historic stone. This historic stone dates back to the 800s. There's a lot of history about it, and there's a lot of mystery too. There's a lot of legends built off of this stone. No. Let's have a look at the stone. Picture symbols. Oh, they've worked out what they are and stuff. Then a quick stop to Brodies Castle, which was beautiful. Nairn! It's Nairn! Nairn! The River Nairn. Nairn.
Nairn.
Nairn. Nairn.
You're going to end up in the Nairn.
Wait for me!
film me driving. Look at me, I'm driving the car.
Alright, okay, that'll do.
See?
Optimistically, I was looking for the perfect drone shot of Inverness. So we stopped this place called Fort George. Yeah, it was a little bit optimistic to try and get a drone shot from there. This would be a lovely place to fly a drone, apart from the fact there's an airport over there and we're at an active military base.
And there's a guy carrying a gun.
Oh yeah, and he's carrying a gun. I reckon it'd shoot it. Anyway, apart from that, look at the lovely views. On to Inverness. Lovely and clean windscreen. Lovely and clean windscreen. Just filming.
To be fair, you can't really see anything.
Yeah, I think we kind of missed it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Why is this built like this? It's a little cage for people like me that don't know where they're going. Get off the camera, Sean, and just find out where we're going.
I've done it as well.
What is that for? Oh. Whiskies. Highland Cools. That's massive. How much do you reckon it is?
A lot of money.
But you didn't know that?
Because it goes over the River Ness.
Hey, don't ruin this for me. It's the Ness Bridge. I knew this because I read a sign.
I knew it because I've got common sense.
This is the River Ness, guys, and I know that because I'm clever. And this is the Ness Bridge because I'm also clever and I know that as well.
That's why there wasn't much of an idea it was the River Ness.
It is the River Ness. Hi! Hello. Of course we had to see if the drone would help us find the one and only Lossie at Loch Ness. After having no luck finding the monster, we ended up at Foyers waterfall, so it wasn't a total waste of a journey. Oh, creepy.
I like the burns.
Is it? It sounds creepy. Oh, fuck. I missed the step. That was like a nice peaceful cinematic view of the woods going down to the falls. There's me just swearing and going down to the... missing my footing. Please tell me we're not walking all the way over there. Did you see the people right over there? There's no way we're walking all the way over there, look. There's people on the other side. What? We're not walking over there. No. No. Well, I might. You might. Yeah, we'll go to the other one. Yeah, it does sound like they're about to kill us. This is where you fall to your death. End of the poem. You took a wee-wee. After a long hike back up the hill, we decided it was time to go home. Well, I say home, back to the cabin in Rothes. Rothes? It's a beautiful cabin. Yes. I'm done. Let's go back. Is it about a 2-hour drive now? Yeah. Great. Let's get some dinner and go. Head back to the tent. Tent? Wigwam? What do you call it? The hut? Shed. Shed? Shed doesn't make it sound very good.
Well, that's a bit of wood.
Yeah. We found some halicus! They're fluffy. I just want the other one with the...
I think that's a baby.
That's awesome. We need to go up there. Nice. Box of stuff. I got caught there. That's pretty cool actually.
With help of fire starters.
With help of fire starters. That's how you make a fire. Boom! Bon appetit! Is it good? Mine for the shock.
Well, because mine looks better and yours is shite.
Hey, I'm going for the frick. No? Fine.
Tell me you're trying to outsize me without telling me you're trying to outsize me. Oh, baby.
I'm a little bit too heavy. Oh, I'm dripping. So this one is mine. That's how gorgeous that looks. This state, what is it? Oh. Delish. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you found a lot of places that you can go see in the northeast coast of Scotland. If you want to see other places you can see in Scotland, then check out this playlist called Hidden Gems of Scotland. I've been to quite a few places in Scotland now, and I'm trying to find all the hidden gems. So check out the playlist, there's lots of great places to see in Scotland. But if you want to know more about me, then check out My Nomadic Journey, and that's another playlist. Check that out. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching. I will see you again soon.